Welcome to the project demonstration of hybrid power generation using wind energy, solar energy and piezo energy, and also using transformer and charging circuit. So through this one transformer and charging circuit you can charge the battery electrically. So if I place this one in power supply, so here we can see light indication. It will take input of 230 volts and it will step down the power supply up to 12 volts. That 12 volts AC will be given to this charging circuit. That charging circuit will be given to the battery. So this charging circuit is nothing but bridge rectifier which converts AC into DC. That DC power will be given to this 12 volts 1 amp battery. After that, so here we can see the wind energy. If wind is rotated, then the power will be generated. Then that generated power supply will be given to this charging circuit or bridge rectifier through that one. So we can charge the battery. And also we are using the solar power, so that solar will be convert the light energy into electrical energy. That energy will be given to this bridge rectifier or charging circuit. That charging circuit will be given to this battery. And also we are using piezo. That piezo will be convert the physical energy into electrical energy. That energy will be given to this charging circuit, and that charging circuit will be given to this battery. Through these elements, through these power generations will be charge this battery. After that, so we are also using inverter. Inverter will convert the DC power into AC power. So if I switch on the power supply, inverter will be on, then automatically light is on. So it will convert the DC supply into AC supply. So that AC supply will glow on this bulb. So in this way, these are generate the power supply. That power supply will be stored in this battery, and that battery will be this battery output will be given to this inverter, and inverter will be convert the DC to AC. Then AC through this bulb will be on. So we are using the bridge rectifier because if a wind energy is given to this here, so it will give the supply, but it will not take any supply. If supply will be taken this one, so it will rotate automatically. So that's why we are providing the bridge rectifier for the all generation power supply. Thanks for the watching.